I take the next day's problems which are going to arise with me. Actually, with me, nothing. When I'm shooting, the most important thing for me is like how the next day is going to go. For Simba, for example, like there are so many scenes that we have just didn't shoot. You know, it's not like after edit we removed a lot of it, but we didn't shoot only. It's that I live that character, or I live the whole film. I live that world more than the character. When I was promoting, I remember Singham. Everybody used to ask, "Yeah, there is Dabangg, then why are you making Singham?" And there is the film is looking like Dabangg. When Singham came, it made its own identity. Same way happened with Simba. When I was making Simba, when we were promoting Simba, you already have a brand. Then why this? Now Simba has its own identity. First, we write the character, what we want to say, and how entertaining the character is, and what this character is bringing new. It's just not saying the lines, what is written, you know. What are the dimensions this character has as a human being, and what people will look up to or get entertained or will be in awe of are the things we work on a character. Like if you see Bajirao Singham, so when you talk about honesty or larger than life, a superhero being a human being, you think of Bajirao Singham. Now if you see a notorious guy or a naughty guy, or a mischievous guy, that is Simba. So when I saw Temper, and when I thought, okay, we can make it into a good Hindi film if we just take the character and change everything around it. So that time it was not like a Ranveer Singh was on board. It's just that we wrote a character sketch, and then when we were shooting an ad, I told him, this is one film, would you like to do it? And today when I see the film, it's obviously nobody could have done justice or done better than Ranveer Singh. He's known for Simba now, lifetime he'll be known as Simba. So it just happened. But I always write the film first. And with me what happens is once if I have a story idea itself and I get the actor, I've always been lucky, whether it's been Shah Rukh or whether it's with all the films with Ajay or for that matter with Ranveer. What happens is you have a story idea and then you know that this character is playing, this hero is playing this character, and you know his limitations, or you know what are the things he can add on as an actor or as a personality, and then definitely we write accordingly. Now, off late, with last 3 or 4 films, a brand being established as Rohit Shetty. The first thing we work that we are making, whether it's an action film or it's a comedy film, it's for our family audience. I go with an entertaining film and then entertaining script or a film which entertain my audience or give them a good 2.5 hours of good time, make them laugh, make them cry, make them thrilled. That is more as important for me. Now that can happen in a genre like comedy, that can happen in a genre like love story, that can happen in a genre like of action also. But my criteria is that it should be an wholesome entertainment. Comedy has its own task. You have to go, like if you see Golmaal again, it had only sequences and sofas are flying, library books are flying, and then comedy is also looks very easy on screen. That's the sad part, or I would say that's the minus point of comedy, that when you see it on screen, you're enjoying it and you think that it's very simple. I think comedy is the most difficult genre. It's the most difficult genre. If you don't have the right actors, if the lines are not right, if it's not on beat, on point, you can go absolutely wrong.
Can fall flat.
Yeah, with action and with emotion, it's not like people may like it, people may cry, people may have a teary eyes, or they may just have a jolt, or they may just feel emotional about it. There are degrees of emotion where emotional scenes are concerned or where drama is concerned. With comedy, it's like either you're on point or you're off. We had planned it like, now let's start creating a universe which has never happened in India, and I don't have superheroes with me. So why not create a cop world? And this was the first film, and we were a bit nervous when we did this because once the audience are in a habit of watching these kind of stuff, and they've been watching in English films. For a Hindi film, this was the first time we were doing. So we were a little worried that we are creating a universe. So it is not actually, it's Simba, but it is, Simba is in Singham's universe. I'm creating them. They all are there. Singham is there, Simba is there, now Suryavanshi will be there. So in future we might write and bring everyone together. Let's see. I think it's a thankless job. There's corruption everywhere. We just blame them, but there's corruption in the system itself. There's corruption in corporate world also. There's corruption everywhere. After Singham 1, like I became very close to them, knowing their families, what problems they go through, and somewhere down the line, it's not only me. When you see the film, it gives a high. When a hero is wearing a uniform and is presented in the right way, it gives a high. A normal hero getting up and coming, or a guy coming in a uniform, makes a difference. I do watch, but I don't watch it as a reference point because the culture is different. The whole, I would say, the way they have been nurtured is different. The whole presentation is different. That's why it looks fake when we try to do the same thing in India. Like guys wearing that holsters with the blazer, high-tech offices, and with that headsets. It looks fake because that's not how we function. That's the way they function. That's not how we function. No, I don't feel like I'm not comfortable acting, and I'm happy hosting. Acting is stressful, yeah. Acting is stressful because and I'm not comfortable acting at all. And I don't know. I might be a very bad actor. I think so. I'm good at hosting. I know that by now. It's been many years, and I'm happy doing that. It's my space. I'm comfortable. I enjoy doing that. Acting is not something which I'll enjoy doing. So I don't want to get into that. I want to. We are developing it. Maybe I'll direct it or not. I don't know. But there's a germ of a woman cop also. Yeah, for sure. That's how the universe will get complete. That you have to have a girl in the film. You have to have a woman cop. 20th December, nobody has released a film for years now. Years and years and years now. Now suddenly everybody's saying, oh, it's a new date. It's actually not a new date. Nobody knew about it. Even I didn't know about it. It's just that the film is good, it's been appreciated, and that's why it's doing well. Tomorrow, if it would have not done well, there would have been theory that film is bad. There would have been theory that, 28th December is not the right date. There would have been theory, UP mein or Delhi mein nahi chalegi, thand bahut hai. Now, what example, it's broken Golmaal against record in overseas. People are cheering and clapping in Canada. I've seen videos of that. Now what? And it's a mass film, for God's sake. It's not a niche audience film. But people are enjoying that. So now the theory will start, mass films are doing well. Actually, nobody knows anything. It's just that one film does well or something happens and then everybody starts talking about it because we don't have a formula, or we are not educated that way where market is concerned or films are concerned. So everybody is like just in a panic situation. The best way is to just put yourself out of that, make your film and release it. A good film will run. Whether it is commercial, parallel, multiplex, art, whatever, single screen. If it is good, it will work. Nobody will stop it. Nobody can stop it. Hi, this is Rohit Shetty and you're watching peepingmoon.com.